Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students of class 7, Assalamu alaikum. Today is 26th of August and the day is Tuesday. I hope that you must have learned about yesterday's lesson, which we did about adjectives first and forming adjectives and using suffixes to change an adjective into a noun or a noun into an adjective. It is very important to use the concept properly, appropriately to develop the language skills. We can just speak and we can write an average piece of writing only with the help of the concepts which we are which we are just studying. But if we want to produce something better, something influential, something impressive, and something very creative, we have to use all the concepts which we have learned and changing one into another and using technicalities, right? So at this level, level of class 7, all of you should have the understanding of these concepts to make your work meaningful. सिर्फ अंग्रेजी पढ़नी नहीं है, उसको अप्लाई भी करना है, उसको इस्तेमाल भी करना है, बोलने में, लिखने में, खुद को प्रेजेंट करने में. दैट इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. किताबें हम सब पढ़ लेते हैं, किताबों से रटे लगा लिए, सब पढ़ लिया, बट बेसिक थिंग इज टू लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड टू अप्लाई इट व्हेन एवर रिक्वायर्ड. ठीक है, चलो. So we just revise a few of them which we did in the last lesson. We were doing forming adjectives. And we did several examples in which we changed a noun into an adjective. How come? Please give me an example. I'm waiting, Inaya. Yes, we learned about the word dust, which is very common. Dust is all around us. If we'll add just y with it, it will become dusty. Dusty becomes an adjective. Okay. Or we learned about mud. Mud is a noun, is name of something. But when we add dy with it, it becomes an adjective. This is very important to learn, to add correct suffix to the words to make them meaningful. For example, we have the word success, kamyab, kamyabi. This is a noun of an achievement, right? If we will add successful, it will become an adjective. He is a successful businessman. Okay, so successful will become an adjective. Use, yes, I am useful, right? Number 5, useless also. Good. See, one thing can be useful and other can be useless. हमारे किसी काम की ना हो. For example, mobile phone is a useless device for us. It becomes useless when we start wasting time on it. है ना? Otherwise, it is very useful if we use it for our educational purposes, for our research purposes. It becomes useful, but it becomes useless when it's out of order, isn't it? So it matters, and it all depends upon the use of correct suffix, that you can change a noun into an adjective of your own choice if you want to use it in your sentences or any kind of creative writing. We also learned a few things. For example, we learned about suffixes meant, able, able, enjoy, able, enjoy, meant, right? But response, response, responsible. Okay. Now what we are going to do today is, first we have to complete the exercise of unit number 5 today, and then we'll be doing present continuous tense. Okay. So open up page number 52 of your book along with your notebooks. Please be quick. Bring your books, your notebooks, your stationery. Put it in front of you, and we'll be doing, let me show you the page. We'll be doing this question number 4, and we'll be doing question number 5 on the notebook, page number 52. Please be quick. Okay, I have written 7 words on the board, and in the first go, we have to change them into nouns. Okay, and we can use different suffixes now. There are several suffixes. It can be I, O, U, S, it can be meant, it can be mission, it can be shun, okay? It can be able, it can be evil. Any other? It can be ship. Acha, I think I should have given a gap in between. इस तरह आपको clustered सा हो जाएगा. Okay, girls and boys. So I have written them here on this side. We'll use any one of them with any appropriate word to make a noun out of it. Okay? What do we mean by envy? Envy का क्या मतलब? Burhan, please open up your dictionary. Great. Envy means to be jealous of someone. ठीक है? वैसे envy is like किसी से हसद करना, to be jealous of someone. So envy. When we add IOUS with envy, it becomes envious. Envious becomes a noun. And adjective also. For example, my friend is envious of her sister. Envious from her sister मतलब उसको जलन हो जाती है ना, हसद हो जाती है. Envious, ठीक है. Next is enjoy. Enjoy. It's very easy. Enjoy. Enjoyment. Very good. Rehan. Then we have preserve. Preserve. We have read this word on the bottles as well, on jams and on pickles and on several other things. Preserve. Preservative. Very good, Tayyiba. Preservative means to keep it safe. Preserve कर लेना, संभाल लेना, safe कर लेना. Preservative. Preservative is a noun. Study. Study. The one who studies a lot. Who is that person who studies a lot? Very good, Inaya. He or she is studious. Assist. Assist means yes, Sabah. What do you mean by assist? To help. Yes. Assist. Assist. Tense. Describe. To explain something. Describe. Description. Very good, Barira. Then we have admit. To enter. Admit. What do we need to get any school or any other into the hospitals, schools, clinics. Admission. Very good, Talal. Please note it down quickly. And in neat handwriting with a straight margin line and the central line with correct spellings. Please be quick. Now there we are with a few more words. Ready. Ready. Readiness. Very good. Organize. Make it a noun. Organization. Fatima. Very good. Organization. Possible. Possible. Possibility. 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 Trust. Trust. Make a noun. Trusty is a noun also. Double trusty, or you may write trustworthy also. Trustworthy itself is a word. Trustworthy. Absent. Being absent is a verb and it becomes absence. गैर हाजिरी becomes a noun. Able. He is able to do something. Let's say, Shahid is able to perform in front of the audience. So Shahid has the ability. सलाहियत है उसके अंदर. Ability to perform in front of the audience. Okay? Forgetful. 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 Forgetfulness. Content. Content हम जिसको कहते हैं ना, क्या कहते हैं? Self satisfied और self sufficient, या जिसको खुद में जितना है उसमें वो सब्र कर ले, उसको कहते हैं content. ठीक है, ये एबिलिटी होती है. Contented. Then we have friendly. Friendliness नहीं करेंगे हम, we'll do friendship. दोस्ती. 2 more to go. Please be quick. Write them neatly. Now the last 2 words is, one is permit. Permit is a verb. इजाजत देना. इजाजत को क्या कहते हैं? इजाजत क्या है? नाउन है ना. तो permission. शाबाश. And last is loyal. Loyal is an adjective. You have to make a noun out of it. Loyalty. Very good. There you go. We have done question number 4. Now we will be proceeding towards question number 5. Quickly we'll do that. Students, now we have to change these words into verbs. In the last question, we changed the given words into nouns. नाम बनाए थे हमने. Now we are going to change these words into words. Okay? Action words. Now class is a noun. Okay, so classify is the verb. Ify is the suffix here. Strength. Strength. Strengthen is the verb. Strengthen the ties with your siblings. Okay. Critic. तनकीद करने वाला. काम क्या होगा तनकीद करना? Criticize. criticize, fast, fasten your seat belts, drama, dramatize, horrid, horrid is very something very horrible, so we can the one who makes us feel horrible. And to horrify is a verb, किसी को खौफ ज़दा करना. Okay, summary, write summary of the poem or summarize the poem means the same, so it is summarize. Then we have fertile, fertile, so it is fertilize. Okay. Write neatly. Now we will be doing present continuous tense. Written work आपका यही है बस. Present continuous tense, I'll give you a gist of it, and we'll do it in tomorrow's lesson also. We'll do written practice present continuous tense. Okay? Complete your work. What do I mean by continuous? Hansa? What do you mean by continuous? Close. हो रहा है, जो हो रहा है, closer. Continuous means in progress, in continuation. For example, I am talking now, it's continued, right? It's continued that I am talking. बातें कर रही हूँ ना मैं, रही हूँ. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मैं चल रही हूँ, रही हूँ, अभी present. जो काम अभी हो रहा है that is present. जो काम अभी प्रोग्रेस में है, जो चल रहा है, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, that is continuous. Means the thing which is happening right now and it is in progress, that means continuous. And now it is very important because Urdu is our national language of course, and we often try to speak it. We don't want to speak in English because we think that we are not speaking well. But one thing I must tell you, and you should learn this, is you can improve your spoken skills while speaking. जब तक आप बोलेंगे नहीं, you will not develop confidence, you will not develop a fluency, and you won't be able to speak correctly also. Speak, बोलना है, गलत सही छोटे जुमलों में बोलना है, सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं, yes no नहीं करना है. It is very important. सीख लें इन चीज़ों को and try to do it. अभी घर बैठे भी with your siblings, speak to them in English in small sentences. फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि प्रैक्टिस really makes man perfect. बातें नहीं, it really applies. Okay? So, in Urdu, the identification of a sentence to be present continuous is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. See? बुरहान किताब पढ़ रहा है, आयशा सो रही है, हम अंग्रेजी पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है? Now, as per structure of the sentence, first of all, subject, helping verb, first form of verb, with ing, okay, and then the object. Helping verb में we are talking about present tense, so helping verbs will be is, am, are. Is for singular of course, am for I only, and are for you and plurals. Understand? For example, अभी हमने क्या कहा, बुरहान किताब पढ़, है ना? Who is Burhan? subject? Burhan. Burhan is singular or plural? Singular. Is first form of helping verb is first form of verb क्या? Read. Add ing with it. Reading. Burhan is reading. क्या पढ़ रहा है? A book. अब बुरहान नहीं पढ़ रहा, बुरहान किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा. चेंज इट इनटू नेगेटिव. कैसे? बुरहान नहीं पढ़ रहा ना, is not, and rest of the sentence will be the same. Is not reading a book. नहीं पढ़ रहा भाई वो. क्या पढ़ रहा? क्या बुरहान किताब पढ़ रहा? What happens to the sentence? Is Burhan reading a book? And question mark. See how simple is that? How simple is that? Very simple. For I am reading a book, I am not reading a book. Am I reading a book? You are reading a book, you are not reading a book. Are you reading a book? This is the simplest tense of English I am going to tell you that. So you have to keep this thing in mind. Tomorrow inshallah we will be continuing with the same topic with more practice. Okay? Okay. Allah Hafiz.